Hello, future Forex experts. Welcome to another training video. Today, we're unraveling the mystery behind one of the most crucial concepts in Forex trading, spreads. Let's dive into it. Segment 1. The basics of spreads. Let's start with the basics. In Forex trading, the term spread refers to the difference between the bid price and the ask price. Think of it as the cost of doing business in the Forex market. The spread is usually measured in pips, those tiny price movements that drive the Forex world. Segment 2. Spreads impact on traders. So, how does the spread affect you as a trader? First and foremost, it's a cost that you pay every time you enter a trade. This cost can add up, especially if you're an active trader. A larger spread means you'll need a bigger price movement in your favor just to break even. Segment 3. Calculating profitability. Your trade needs to overcome the spread before you can start making profits. If the spread is large, your trade needs a substantial price movement to cover that cost. It's like aiming for a target that's a bit farther away. Segment 4. Choosing the right broker. Selecting the right broker is crucial. Some offer fixed spreads, while others provide variable spreads that change with market conditions. Competitive spreads can significantly reduce your trading costs over time, so it's a factor to consider when choosing a broker. Segment 5. Scalping and day trading. Spreads matter even more for those that day trade. Frequent trading can rack up costs quickly. So, when picking a broker, be sure to assess their spreads, especially during volatile market hours. Segment 6. Spreads and market volatility. Market volatility plays a role too. During turbulent times, spreads can widen significantly. This can affect your trading costs and might even impact your ability to execute trades at desired prices. And there you have it, traders. Spreads are a fundamental aspect of Forex trading that can influence your costs, profitability, and choice of broker. Always remember to factor in the spread when devising your trading strategy and making decisions. Thanks for joining us for this enlightening training video. For more Forex insights, be sure to explore our other content. Keep learning, keep trading smart, and we'll catch you in the next video.